adsorption. So adsorption means it is that particle it is adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbate. Okay. So this is the surface. In the surface layer, the particles. So there are the two main. So in this process of adsorption, there are the two main part. One it is at adsorbate, other one it is at adsorbent, right? So this is solid particle. It is called as adsorbent. That this particle it may be liquid or gases. That we called as adsorbate. Adsorbate. Okay. So this adsorbate molecule it may be liquid or gases. Liquid or gases. Okay. So this liquid or gases molecule it is adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, and this process is called as the adsorption. Okay. Right. So the adsorption in the process, in the sense it is the particles. So say for example chalk piece. So that is water it is adsorbed interior surface phenomena, actually bulk phenomena. It is interior area as well as in the surface area, right? But here it's the particle it is adsorbed only on the surface. So example it is a charcoal, right? Charcoal, so it may be gaseous particle. Gaseous particle it may be or nitrogen or hydrogen and carbon dioxide, like. So these gases it is absorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, right? This is adsorbate and this is adsorbate, right? So next, based on that bond between that adsorbent and the adsorbate, we can classify it as a two type. Okay? Then one it is that physical adsorption, other one it is that chemical adsorption. The first type it is physical, right? Otherwise we called as physisorption, right? Then next it is that chemical absorption, so otherwise it's called as chemisorption, right? So in this physical absorption, so what is the difference between physical and chemical absorption means? So in this physical absorption, this gas, liquid or gas particle, it is held by weak van der Waals force. Okay. So it is not a strong bond between that adsorbent and adsorbate. Okay. So adsorbate, it is a strong bond between that. Sorry, so in the it is only the weak van der Waals force. So it is not a strong bond. Okay. A strong bond like this. Well, a strong bond, chemical bond may be our covalent bond or it may be our ionic bond, like that. So here it is that only weak van der Waals forces. Now weak van der Waals force na force of attraction minimum. Okay, so that adsorbent and adsorber it is held by weak van der Waals force. This chemical adsorption, it is the adsorbate molecule, it is held by strong chemical bond. Strong chemical bond. Okay. Then next topic it is enthalpies. Okay. So enna kuduthirukkom appadina, so like enthalpy, heat of enthalpy. Okay. So andha mari kuduthirukkom. So that is heat of enthalpy, it has become higher concentration. The range of heat of enthalpy it is 20 to 40 kilojoule for energy. So yeah, that is low enthalpy of absorption. I tell that what is enthalpy. Enthalpy என்ற word உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப familiar because enthalpy அப்படினா it is one of the heat energy. Okay. So அப்ப இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு தேவை அப்படினா it is needs only says low enthalpy of energy. So it says 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Unit ரொம்ப important. So usually in the range கேட்கலாம். In the range. So இதுக்கு முன்னாடி previous year papersல get papersல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So yeah, that is the range. So low, then in case of physical adsorption, the range of that enthalpy range it is that 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Then in case of your chemical adsorption, higher. So yeah, higher அப்படினா because the strong bond formed between the adsorbent and adsorbate. Okay, அப்ப strong bond form ஆகணும் அப்படினா it is the enthalpy of adsorption it is higher. Enthalpy அப்படினா it is the heat energy. Okay, suppose we want to break the bond. இந்த bond நான் break பண்ணனும் அப்படினா I want to apply the more energy, then only it is break. நான் சொல்றது என்னன்னு புரியுதா? Right? Okay, so that it is high in this, that higher enthalpy of absorption, higher enthalpy, that is maybe it is that 82 to 40 kilojoule per mole. That range, it's very important. Then next, that physical adsorption based on the temperature. Okay, listen me once again. That physical adsorption based on the temperature. So here it is that the physical absorption I already told you, that is that weak van der Waals force. So that அப்ப எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினா there's a minimum, I mean the temperature, lower temperature it is possible to and physical favoring the physical adsorption. அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படினா it is the low temperature, it is favor for that physical adsorption. But in case of chemical adsorption, so chemical adsorption na eppadi irukum, like adsorbent to adsorbate strong bond agum, so that up a higher temperature. Okay, so that it is applied in the higher temperature, then only the both are it is hold it together tightly, so that it is that temperature it is higher, so it is higher temperature it is applicable. Okay, then next case it is that specific. So in the physical absorption, so I told you know that is maybe adsorbate, liquid or gases. Okay, but in case of physical adsorption, that liquid or gases would be not specific in nature. Any liquid, any gases adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent. So எந்த liquid வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். So இதுதான் அப்படின்றது specific கிடையாது. So that it is the non-specific in nature. So in this non-specific. But in case of chemical adsorption, it is that specific, because நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம் அப்படினா say for example charcoal adsorbed on that nitrogen gas. Maybe இது வந்து என்ன கொடுக்கலாம், charcoal அப்படின்றது one of the activated carbon. Okay, or it may be one of the carbon substance. Okay, so on the charcoal it is absorbed on that nitrogen gases. Nitrogen gas மட்டும் absorb பண்ணிருக்கு அப்படினா that is specific. Okay, so இது இந்த chemical adsorption it is எப்படி இருக்கும், non specific கிடையாது, specific. So இந்த particular adsorbent இது மட்டும் தான் absorb பண்ணனும், அது மட்டும் தான் absorb பண்ணனும், so that it is the specific. Okay. Then so comes to the physical adsorption, it is a reversible. Okay, so like in the process, இப்போ நான் என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படினா maybe it's maybe A, it is act as an adsorbent, and B, it is that act as an adsorbate. This is adsorbate. அப்படினா adsorbate na in the form of liquid or gases. Okay, so this liquid or gas adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent. Okay, it is in a reversible process. So எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படினா திரும்பி என்ன ஆயிட்டு இருக்கும் அப்படினா okay, it's make up ஆகுது, இது adsorbed gases. Okay, இந்த B ஃபுல்லா என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினா இதோட சர்ஃபேஸ்ல அட்சார்ப் பண்ணிருக்கு, சரி, to form C அப்படிங்கற ஒரு காம்பவுண்ட மேக் அப் பண்ணிருக்கு, ரைட்? So in case of physical adsorption, I told you that weak van der Waals force of attraction, it is okay, the adsorbent and adsorbate are held by weak van der Waals force. அப்ப weak van der Waals force னா just ஒரு டெம்பரேச்சர் கொடுத்தானோ இல்ல பிரஷர் கொடுத்தானோ immediate என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படினா again it is give back to adsorbate as a separate and adsorbent as a separate. Okay, ரெண்டு செப்பரேட்டா இருக்கும், so that செப்பரேட்டா ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும், so that this process என்னது, this is option, it is that reversible process. Okay, but in case of chemical adsorption, the strong bond, I told you no, the first point here, it is a strong chemical bond, it is for between that adsorbent and adsorbate. Once in the molecules form ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படினா it is only the forward reaction only it is the possible, it is not being a reversible. அப்ப என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினா it is the non reversible, right? This is that non reversible nature, right? Then so based on the pressure, okay, the high pressure it is favored on that physical adsorption. Okay, that it's the higher pressure. Then here it is that it is the lower pressure. Okay. Here it is that higher pressure is the correct only. Okay. So it is that higher pressure increases the rate of the adsorption, physical adsorption. Here it is the lower pressure increases the rate of the chemical adsorption. எப்படி மேம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா because நம்ம strong bond இருக்கு. So நான் higher pressure suppose it's maybe you just assume ஒரு lower pressures மட்டும் கொடுக்குறேன். சரியா minimum higher pressure கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா so it takes time to make a bond between that adsorbate and adsorbate க்கு நடுவுல என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா ஒரு strong bond form பண்றதுக்கு டைம் இருக்கும். Suppose நல்ல pressure கொடுக்குறேன். Strong pressure கொடுக்குறேன். So அந்த bond என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா it is only forming the weak water molecules. So immediately அந்த bond make up ஆயிடுது இல்லையா? So that here it is that higher pressure increases the rate of the physical adsorption. It is the lower pressure increases the rate of the chemical eruption. The rate in the sense speed. So rate in the sense speed. அப்ப நான் higher pressure apply பண்ணும்போது physical adsorption ஓட speed higher-ஆ இருக்கும். Then இந்த chemical adsorption lower pressure apply பண்ணவே the chemical adsorption எப்படி இருக்கும்? Higher-ஆ இருக்கும். சரியா? Right. அடுத்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா next right. So in this physical adsorption it is only from that multimolecular form. Okay, so multimolecular form in the sense enna irukum appadina this is physical and this is chemical, right? Chemisorption. So multimolecular. So once enna nama paathirukom appadina that adsorbate so in the formation irukaliya multimolecular. So enna irukum appadina that again it's the molecules it is adsorbed like so இந்த மாதிரி molecules form ஆயிருக்கு அப்படினா so ஒரு layer form ஆயிருக்கு then it is that second layer it is over on that first layer then third layer it is over on that second layer like that it is formed means that's called as a multi layer or multimolecular like that. Okay, so suppose in case of chemical adsorption means it is that monomolecular. Okay, full எழுதிக்கோ monomolecular. So yeah, so monomolecular layer. So first என்னது அப்படினா adsorption process அப்படினு பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா it is that bulk surface phenomenon, right? Surface phenomenon நம்ம கொடுக்கிறோம். Why it is called as surface? அதுல ரெண்டு terms இருக்கு. adsorption ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி absorption ஒரு terms இருக்கு. Okay, absorption. Okay, absorption அப்படினா it is not a bulk, it is the bulk phenomenon. So இதுல என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படினா it is a surface phenomenon. So for surface phenomenon it is the process it is occurred only on the surface of that molecule, surface of that adsorbent molecule. Suppose in case of your absorption அப்படி ஒரு term இருக்கு AB, right? Absorption. Absorption அப்படி ஒரு terms இருக்கு அப்படினா it is on that bulk phenomenon. Okay, so chemistry கேட்ட எக்ஸாம்ல எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க இந்த difference. So which is that bulk, which is that surface phenomena. So adsorption it is that surface phenomena, that is the absorption it is that bulk phenomena. Bulk in the sense உள்ள interior வரைக்கும் என்ன ஆகும் அப்படினா the particle it is penetrate into that interior area. Right. So this adsorption process it is that exothermic. This absorption process it is that exothermic. Exo in the sense the heat energy it is released, but absorption it is exothermic, absorption it is that endothermic. நம்மளோட சாப்டர்ல என்ன இருக்கு அப்படினா adsorption தான் இருக்கு, so that it is that exothermic reactions. Okay, அதனால தான் இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம் அப்படினா the lower temperature it is favorable for the physical adsorption. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கும் the rate of adsorption increases with the help of the lower temperature. ஏன் இந்த இடத்துல chemical absorptionல higher temperature favor பண்றோம் அப்படினா because that we want to make up the strong bond between that adsorbent and adsorbate. Adsorbentக்கும் adsorbateக்கும் ஒரு strong molecules bonding make up ஆகிறதுனால we applied more temperature then only it is the bond it is make up.